Far beyond the Pacific Ocean, hidden beneath endless storms and fog, there existed a forgotten island prison, erased from modern maps. When Liam Carter discovered a classified military file labeled "Do Not Return to Blackstone Island," he realized he had uncovered one of the world's darkest abandoned secrets. Liam and his friends uploaded a viral video announcing their dangerous expedition to Blackstone Island. Millions watched the mysterious adventure online, while warning comments flooded the internet. One terrifying message appeared repeatedly beneath the video. The prison is not empty. But the team ignored every warning completely. 3 weeks later, the group sailed across the bright Pacific Ocean aboard a small research boat. Maya filmed beautiful cinematic shots of endless blue water, while Ethan studied old military documents. At first, the journey felt exciting and peaceful, completely hiding the terrifying danger waiting ahead inside the fog. As thick gray fog surrounded the ocean, a giant island slowly emerged from the mist like a ghost. Broken military towers stood above massive prison walls, while rusted fences covered the rocky shoreline. The closer the team moved toward Blackstone Island, the colder and quieter the entire ocean became. The next morning, Liam and his team stepped through the giant, rusted prison gate beneath cracked military walls. Empty guard towers watched silently from above, while broken prison corridors stretched deep into the island fortress. Every corner of Blackstone Island felt abandoned, yet strangely untouched by time. Inside the forgotten prison, endless rows of empty cells filled the dark hallways beneath flickering lights. Maya carefully filmed every room, while Ethan searched through abandoned military offices nearby. Strange warning symbols remained painted across certain prison doors, as if someone desperately tried sealing something dangerous inside. While exploring a dusty prison office, Sophia discovered an old recording tape hidden beneath military documents. The faded label read, "Experiment 14." Curious and nervous, the group carried the mysterious tape into the abandoned prison cafeteria. Unaware the recording would reveal horrifying secrets buried beneath Blackstone Island. The old tape recorder crackled loudly before a frightened voice suddenly whispered through the static. The recording described prisoners changing into something no longer human during classified wartime experiments. Then, the voice abruptly stopped. Silence filled the prison cafeteria as fear slowly spread across the entire group. Searching deeper through classified military files, Ethan uncovered the terrifying truth about Blackstone Island. During World War II, the prison secretly operated as a hidden human experimentation facility. Prisoners, scientists, and captured spies were brought here for dangerous biological experiments that eventually spiraled completely out of control. Late that night, one of Maya's motion cameras suddenly activated inside Cell Block C. Replaying the footage, the team watched a dark shadow silently moving through the abandoned prison corridor. The figure stopped briefly before disappearing into darkness. Liam realized immediately that someone or something remained alive. Armed with flashlights, the group entered the underground tunnels hidden beneath Cell Block C. The deeper they traveled below the prison, the stranger everything became. Fresh footprints appeared in the dust, while metal doors slammed shut on their own somewhere deeper within the abandoned underground hallways. Suddenly, terrifying screams echoed through the underground tunnels beneath the prison. The sounds did not seem human. Ethan carefully aimed his flashlight towards sealed underground chambers where broken hospital beds, rusted surgical tools, and giant laboratory tanks revealed the horrifying remains of Blackstone Island's secret experiments. Deep inside one underground laboratory chamber, the team discovered a glowing tank containing a pale human figure connected to wires and tubes. Slowly, the figure opened its eyes. Sophia screamed in horror moments before the giant glass tank violently shattered across the laboratory floor beneath the prison. As alarms echoed throughout the underground prison, emergency lights suddenly activated for the first time in decades. Giant hidden machines rumbled beneath Blackstone Island, while loudspeakers announced a containment breach across the collapsing facility. The island prison was waking up, and the experiments inside were no longer sleeping. Terrified shadows moved rapidly through the underground corridors, while the team desperately ran through the collapsing prison tunnels. Maya barely escaped as one creature lunged from the darkness beside her. The experiments hidden beneath Blackstone Island had survived for decades underground, and now they were hunting again. After escaping the underground tunnels, Liam and the others reached the prison control room high above the island cliffs. Sophia activated the emergency backup systems, while ancient prison computers slowly powered back online. Hidden classified files revealed the island commander's final message recorded before the prison evacuation years earlier. The commander's final recording revealed the terrifying truth about Blackstone Island. The military was never experimenting on prisoners at all. Instead, they were secretly trying to create something far more dangerous. Before the message finished, violent explosions suddenly erupted deep beneath the ancient prison fortress. Massive underground reactors began exploding beneath Blackstone Island, while fire spread rapidly through the collapsing prison. Giant watchtowers crashed into the ocean as emergency sirens screamed across the island. Liam and his friends sprinted desperately toward their research boat, while smoke consumed the entire military fortress behind them. At the last second, the group escaped aboard their boat moments before Blackstone Island exploded beneath fire and falling rock. From the dark ocean, they watched the forgotten prison collapse forever into smoke and crashing waves. The island's terrifying secrets appeared finally buried beneath the Pacific Ocean forever. Days later, after uploading their footage online, Sophia discovered something horrifying hidden inside the final video recording. Standing silently on the island shore was a pale human figure watching their boat disappear into the fog. The figure slowly smiled, proving Blackstone Island's nightmare had never truly ended.